Hi everyone, here we will see about industrial drives and applications module 1. Module 1 consisting of following content. So module 1 is an introduction to electrical drives and its dynamics. So in this electrical drives, advantages of electrical drives, parts of electrical drives, choice of electrical drives, status of DC and AC drives, dynamics of electrical drives, fundamental torque equation, speed torque conventions and multi-quadrant operation, equivalent values of drive parameters, components of low torque nature and classification of low torques, calculation of time and energy loss in transient operations, steady state stability, load equalization. So this is about module 1. So we will see the one by one topic. So first one, so an introduction to electrical drives and its dynamics. So this content already we have seen. So first one we will see the what about electrical drives. So electrical drive is a one mission, so which is used to perform one operation to another operation. So here, so these drives we can use in industries and factories, many more applications. So even we can use these drives in domestic applications also. So first we will see the what is the electrical drive. Motion control is required in large number of industrial and domestic applications like transportation systems, rolling mills, paper machines, textile mills, machine tools, fans, pumps, robots, washing machines, etc. Fan, pumps, robots and washing machines we can use it in domestic purpose also. So these machines are used in this many applications, right? So mainly why we are using these drives are, so we need to have the control of motion, so that electrical drives are required. So yes, system employed for motion control are called drives. So system employed for motion control, movement control or rotation control. So either it may be rotational or translational. So motion control is called drives and may employ any of prime movers such as diesel or petrol, gas or steam engines, hydraulic motors and electric motors for supplying mechanical energy for motion control. Drives employing electrical motors are known as electrical drives. So this all are we are using in industries and domestic. So electrical drives mainly we are using in industries and domestics, right? So here electrical drive can be defined as an electromechanical device for converting electrical energy into mechanical energy to impart motion to different machines and mechanisms for various kinds of process control. So this is about electric drive. So next one we will see the classification of electrical drive or electric drive. according to mode of operation, according to means of control, according to number of mechanisms, according to dynamics and transient, according to method of speed control. So these drives are classified into different ways. So according to mode of operation, continuous duty drives. So these drives are used especially in rolling and cement mills. Short time duty drives, intermittent. So that means whenever is required we will use, and other times we are going to switch off. So example is electric fan. Duty drives. So it's like a lift and cranes. Right? These are the mode of operations. Right? So continuous, short time and duty drives whenever is required. According to mean of control, manual, semi-automatic, automatic. So manual means we have to go and operate, and the semi-automatic means so it will operate both automatic and manual. So semi automatic means it will automatically varies by changing the temperature, pressure, humidity or moisture. So automatically it will operate. So next one, according to number of missions, individual drive, group drive, multi and motor drives, multi-motor drive. So these are the drives according to number of missions. According to dynamics and transients, so these drives are uncontrolled transient period and controlled transient period. So uncontrolled means controlled. So within that time automatically it will control, within the time it will not control. So these drives are using for dynamic and transient operations. Next one, according to method of speed control. So these drives are according to methods of speed control. So this is very important, speed control. So reversible and non-reversible uncontrolled constant drives, and reversible non-reversible step speed control, and variable position control, and reversible non-reversible smooth period control. So these drives example is lift and cranes, elevators. Reversible and non-reversible positions we can take it as a lift, cranes and elevators. And step speed, the constant speed, and step speed means so a certain period it will appear for constant motion, and after that it may disappear. Variable positions, so one place to another place changes. So these are the different drives we are using in industrial and domestic applications. We will see the advantages of electrical drive. So here they are following advantages. First one, they have flexible control characteristics. The steady state and dynamic characteristics of electrical drives can be shaped to satisfy the load requirement. So this is the one advantage, flexible control characteristics. And second one is drive can be provided without automatic fault detection systems. Programmable logic controller and computer can be employed to automatically control the drive operations in a desired sequence. So you can operate the drive by using PLC controller, programmable logic controllers and computers. They are available in wide range of torque, speed and power. Next one, they are adaptable to almost and operating conditions such as explosive and radioactive environment. It can be operate in all four quadrant of speed torque plane. So example hoist or crane. So it will operate in braking mode, motoring mode, regenerative braking, so many mode, that is four mode, multi quadrant operations or four quadrant operations. So they can be started instantly and can be immediately be fully loaded. So it is within a fraction of second it will start and it will load it. So control gear requirement for speed control, starting and braking is usually simple and easy to operate. This is one more advantage of industrial drives. So choice or selection of electrical, this is a very important. So this question was repeating in your examinations. So we'll see this topic in next video. Okay. So thank you everyone.